First, we'll pull the glove box down. On the right side, there's that damper that needs to be pulled out. We'll grab the damper and then just pull it out. Now notice there is that one pointer that we have to pull out as well. Same pointer from the other side also needs to be pulled out. Once both the pointers are pulled out, then we will just grab the cover for the glove box and then pull it downwards. Right there is a position for cabin air filter. We'll need to take this plastic cover out. Just press that tab on the corner right there and then pull that plastic cover outwards. Right there is the cabin air filter and we will just slide it out. That is how we take out the cabin air filter. Now in my case, the cabin air filter is good, so I will be installing it back. Suppose you have a new filter and you want to install it back. Just make sure that this arrow sign is pointing towards downwards and you have that part number written right there as well. We'll punch in the filter back where we took it out from, making sure it's all the way in, not coming out, and once it's completely in, then we will go ahead and put back this cover. It has that tab right here that needs to be slided into that position right there. So we will go ahead and slide that tab inside that position right there. Once the tab is in, then we will close the cover like a door until we hear a clicking sound. Just like that, the cover is installed. Now we will go ahead and slide the glove box upwards. And there you would notice both the pointers are completely in. From the right side, we will punch in the damper until it's completely in. Now we're good to close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.